I purchased it from Amazon and the price was $29.99, but I was able to get $5 off, like that. And the temperature changes. This is one. I think this is warm. This seems like a cool. This seems like another kind of warm. Let's open up the ring light. Okay guys, so let's get into it. This is my new ring light that I just purchased from Amazon and I'm so excited. I'm gonna be unboxing this for you right now. So first we'll do the unboxing and then I'll do the setup and then I'll tell you a little bit about the specs. So first of all, this is the Sensyne Ringlight Set. I purchased it from Amazon and the price was $29.99, but I was able to get $5 off. I'm not sure if they still have that sale, but expect to pay about $29.99 for it. And if they happen to have the sale going with $5 off, that'll just be a bonus for you. So let's open up the ring light. Okay. Oh. So it comes with this bag here. The tripod is inside. This is the ring light here. And it comes with this right here. So this is the Sensyne. I'll read you the specs. This is the Sensyne 10-inch ring light with tripod TR50. That is it right there. So this is what it comes with. All the stuff you see in here. It's the tripod stand and it has the ring light and it also has a remote. So I'm going to show you all of that right now. This is the ring light. As you can see here, it has some place for you to put your camera. So let's put that aside for now. This is the case that the stand comes in, which is pretty good because this is a nice little traveling case. If you need to travel with it, you'll have this case that you can just put on your shoulder just like that, which is perfect because a lot of us content creators do location content and it's good to be able to travel with your equipment. And it's pretty light. I mean, it's not the lightest tripod, but it's not heavy either. This is what it's looking like. And here is, so it has like this thing here to like make sure your tripod is set the right way, like so that it can be leveled. So that's a really good thing. The tripod that I had before did not have that. I like the fact that it has a tripod with it. Some ring lights do not have tripods. You have to purchase the tripod separately. So I'm so happy about that. So we'll set that aside. So here's this other box. And in here is like the cord to plug it in. So with this one, you're gonna plug in the ring light and then this in your outlet. And then I think this is the mount for your cell phone camera. And this is the remote. So it's operated by Bluetooth and everything like that, but we're gonna get to that a little bit later. Let's put this thing together. The instructions are on Amazon to put it together, but I'm not gonna, I wanna just figure it out myself, and if I get stuck, then I'll just look on Amazon. But they do have a tutorial on how to put it together, but I'm just gonna do my best. Okay, so first we're gonna take the light ring and screw it into the tripod. We will start step by step. And just turn it like that. Okay, so you see that the ring light is on it, and you have a handle here where you can move it right to left. And okay, to put it on correctly, I figured out you have to have this facing forward, and then you take the ring light, put it on top, and then there's a screw underneath, a thing to turn it, and all this has to be facing forward, and then you just turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it until it's on. So with it on like that, then you can face it forward and turn it this way. I did it wrong the first time, so you can turn it right and left and then forwards and backwards. So now you're gonna take your phone case and your phone holder. This is where you're gonna put your phone, and you're gonna attach it to here. And I'm not gonna attach my phone because I'm recording the video with it. I'll see if I can get my old cell phone and put it on there so you guys can see once I'm done putting this on. Okay, while I was doing it, I was noticing that like it has two places to place the phone, so I'm not sure if you're placing it, I don't know, you have to place it a different way for, I don't know. So I'm just gonna put it on like this, and because I see that this stretches, so I want to put my phone on like that. But I think you have the option to put it on another way. But this is just the unboxing. When I get this together, I can do a separate video on the review and probably show you how to do this. Let me get a phone so I can attach to it so you can see. Okay guys, so I have my old phone. Don't pay it no mind, it's all cracked up. That's why it's my old phone. And you just put it on here like this, and so that it could be vertical. If you want it horizontal, all you have to do is do like this. So that's what I really like. It's really simple and easy to turn it the way that you want to turn it. So that's really cool. Okay, so this is the cord to put in the AC DC adapter, I think it's called. And so you would just plug it in on the side here, and then plug it into an outlet, which I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so I'm gonna plug this in. Okay, so it's plugged in, and it has an on and off button right here. So I'm gonna press that. There we go, light. Well, now because I'm behind the light, it's gonna be dark here. So I'll try to reposition it so that you can see the difference. But I'll show you really quickly. You can put it on and off, and then there's a plus sign, I guess, to make the light low, dimmer. That's a little better, you can see me now. When I put the light on higher, and then it has different temperature settings, so I guess that's cool. That's a warm. Yeah, it has different temperature settings. So I'm gonna turn it the other way so that you can see me. Okay, so I put the light facing me, and the light is not on right now, so I want you to see how it looks when I turn it on. Okay, so that's it with it on, and then I'm gonna go through the different settings. Well, I'll put it up and down. This is like me dimming the light. That's the lightest that it can go, and then I'm gonna put it on the brightest. That's the brightest that it can go, and the temperature changes. This is 1. I think this is warm. This seems like a cool. This seems like another kind of warm. So there's a few temperature changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm not sure how many there are, but you're seeing them. Oh, so cool, so cool, so cool. So those are the temperature changes. So yeah, this is it on the lowest setting, and it also comes with a remote that you can use for an Android phone and an iPhone. And yeah, so you can take pictures for up to 30 feet away. So let me read you the official specs so you can get a better idea of how high it can go and everything else like that. Okay, some of the specs on the Amazon website says that it's high brightness, clever touch, Sensyne selfie ring, features high sensitivity touch panel design that has a longer life than traditional mechanical buttons. There's 3 color modes: cool, white, warm, and daylight. So there's 4 different color modes. It says that it's versatile for photographers, YouTubers, vloggers, and TikTokers. The power thing is the its AC/DC adapter helps protect your safety while improving the ring light's brightness by over 50% over USB powered models. The phone holder is spring loaded and extends up to 5.3 inches wide and is compatible with mostly all smartphones. Fully customizable portable tripod stand extending from 15.7 inches to 50 inches, so that's pretty good. Of course, the wireless remote, which I showed you already, it says the pocket-sized Bluetooth remote allows you to take selfies or group photos easily from a distance of up to 30 feet, and is compatible with Apple Android smartphones, and Samsung Galaxy. And they also provide you with a high quality after sales 12 months service, and you can contact them at any time. So again, I purchased this on Amazon and I purchased it for $29.99. I had a $5 off coupon, but that might have been a limited sale. So expect to pay anywhere from $25 to $29 or maybe more if they decide to change the price. But that's what I paid for it. If you want to purchase this light, definitely look in the description, use my Amazon affiliate link, and I will get a small commission when you make a purchase. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the description and I'll be very glad to help you. I'm really excited about this ring light because this is one of the cheaper models, and if you're just starting out, you're a YouTuber, you don't have a lot of money to spend on a ring light, I would say start off with something like this, and then as you do more videos, as you learn how to shoot, as you learn how to take pictures and stuff like that, then you can move up to a higher grade ring light. Like I have a ring light already that I paid like $200 for years ago, but I'm having issues with the cord, so I was like, you know what, let me try another one that's cheaper and just to see what it's like. And I do plan on upgrading, but I just wanted to test this out. Amazon Prime had shipping in one day, so it was a win-win situation. $25 for a ring light, and I got it the next day, and I can start shooting videos, taking photos, and using it. And also, if you already have a ring light but you just need extra lights, I think that this would be a good alternative. So I'm looking forward to using this, and I'll do another video to be more clear about the setup, but this was just an unboxing and I wanted to demo how I put it together so you guys can see if you wanted to purchase this. Very affordable. I like that it has a tripod. I like that it has a remote. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. All of my information will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can receive all of my uploads. Thank you guys so much. I love you all.